We're starting the day in MoMA and we've come pretty early for opening at 10:30, so we almost have it all to ourselves. So I feel like I have to whisper because there's not many people around. The MoMA is another one of these must-do museums in New York City. It's 6 floors of things to explore and you get some great views of Midtown as well. Check this out.
For a female voice to squeeze through.
If you're at the MoMA, I really recommend to get the audio guide. It is very cool, straight to the point and free to get on your smartphone. We are in Little Italy, New York for our lunch today, and maybe we're gonna have some pasta, pizza, don't know yet, but it's very authentic. Did you know that pizza was actually invented in Little Italy, not in Italy itself? It comes here from New York, so had to come and experience it as well. Times Square is massive and you got to see it at least one time in your life. Blows me away every time. Three iconic spots to shop in New York City: Fifth Avenue, Soho, and the Oculus. Here all the way downtown near Wall Street. That's where we are today. Let's have a look around. This is a well-known secret, but I'll share it with you anyways. If you want to see the Statue of Liberty and don't pay so much money to get to Ellis Island, you can get on the Staten Island ferry and get a great view from the ferry, and it's completely free. quick top 5 of my favorite parks in New York City. Number 1 has to be Central Park, of course. Number 2, Bryant Park, where we are right now, right in the center of Midtown. There's always something going on here. They're already preparing the stage for picnic in the park and concerts and live movies. Number 3, Madison Square Park in downtown. Always nice to head there. There's lots of shadow during the summer to relax on the lawn. Number 4, Prospect Park. That's my secret tip for all the runners. It's in Brooklyn. It's pretty much a forest and it's huge. Number 5, Washington Square Park. They are doing skateboarding there. There are live performances. You will feel like you're in France. Gotta go there to have a picnic or a dinner outside. Just got ourselves 2 slices of $1 pizza. Now, how rare is this nowadays in New York? Everything is so expensive, but this shop, $1 pizza, still exists, and it's really good actually. So if you're looking for a cheap meal, that's my recommendation. Let's give it a try. Really good. And you need to add the Parmesan cheese on top. That really makes it. Hot. We are on the way to cross the Brookly Bridge from Manhattan over to Brooklyn, and we're so lucky. The moon is out, beautiful sunset going on. This whole week we were lucky with the weather, and this is one of the last things we're doing actually. I recommend to do this on an evening, head over to Brooklyn and then chill in Brookly Bridge Park. It's amazing. And in the summer they even have movies over there, so it's really the best place to be. It's the last day in New York and we've just done some shopping over in Williamsburg. Chill day, not doing too much anymore, but we just found this very cool pier with a beautiful view of the Williamsburg Bridge and the skyline. I've never been here, so super cool. Thank you very much for following our journey around New York. We had an amazing time. Whilst you're here, check out one of the other travel vlogs. Can't wait to see you next time.